It's Kitchen Courses with Kate and Eric.
Hi, Kate.
Hey, Eric.
Cozy.
You are cozy.
What a weather.
It is. Look how that's a heavy sweater. Will helped us out and did some fact checking for us. So the Waldorf salad was actually created by
Oscar of the Waldorf, official author name on his cookbook, The Cookbook.
And it was made for a benefit dinner for St. Mary's Hospital. So that was held at the Waldorf Astoria. So we're taking the kind of ingredients from the Waldorf salad and putting them into little cups. So I would actually encourage this to be served an Endive cup, which is a very cute little boat that's perfectly sized for this as an appetizer, and it'll make 12. But we're improvising, and we made little radicchio cups today. I'll walk you through how to make the dressing first. So you could actually make that, again, the day ahead, and then add all of the kind of other ingredients the day of. Okay, you ready for this?
The stuff that it coats.
Yep, the stuff that it coats. So you are going to take and put 3 tablespoons of yogurt, just plain yogurt, into a bowl. And to that you are going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and about a tablespoon of lemon zest. Along with some pepper. I would say about a half teaspoon of pepper and a quarter teaspoon of kosher salt. 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending on taste, of good blue cheese crumbled. So you're going to take that, you're going to mix it all up, and at that point, if you want to make this ahead, you're going to just take that dressing and put it aside until a little bit before. You could do it a day or 2 in advance before your party. Once you're ready to assemble the cups, you are going to add to the dressing 1 cup of quartered red seedless grapes, 1 cup of chopped and very finely chopped apple, 1 cup of very thinly sliced celery. You are also going to add 1/3 of a cup of walnut pieces, so chopped walnuts. I would really recommend toasting it because it's really the walnuts. It's going to bring out the flavor, but you don't have to, and for this we didn't. So you're going to combine all of those, toss it together in a big bowl, and then just scoop it into the little either Endive cups or radicchio cups, or any kind of little lettuce cup. But you're gonna want like a little bite-sized bite.
Rinse your Endive cup before you serve.
Mm-hmm.
Use good yogurt
Mm-hmm.
that is made with 2 simple ingredients: pasteurized skim milk
Mm-hmm.
and live active cultures.
Mm-hmm. Maybe some cheeses, or just maybe some cut veggies, or some fruit, or some cookies. That's just a nice grazing appetizer party. You could do that as a party, or just nice appetizers to take to a friend's house. A lot of people will show up at parties with kind of like a heavier dish, and this is it's like light and it's refreshing too.
It's so fresh.
So fresh. Like us, click to subscribe. We hope to see you back at Kitchen Courses soon.